Today we want to look at how we can check out all the guests on our departure list at the same time. It happens that our guests leave the hotel without coming to the reception and checking out. Then we have to check if they have really left the room. After we have determined this, we can check out all guests on our departure list in the daily overview at the same time. To achieve this, we go to the Departure tab in our daily overview. In the column Check-in, we click with the left mouse button on a row of a guest and the menu opens. At the bottom, we now have the option Check out all guests. We click on this and are asked again if we really want to check out all guests. We click on Yes, and all guests immediately receive the blue checkout cross. However, this only works if all guests have paid their invoices completely.